Hi, I'm Mike from Scoutadelic. How do you make a mug cheddar and bacon muffin? Ooh, find out. Today we're gonna do something in a mug with Mike, with a microwave, because it's Monday. There we go. And today we're gonna do a mug cheddar and bacon muffin. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need some flour, some baking powder, some salt, some butter, some milk, some bacon and cheese. Now your bacon obviously needs to be cooked first, just remember that. Okay, so first of all, what's gonna go in here is you want 4 tablespoons of flour. Then you want half a teaspoon of baking powder. Then you want 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. And then you want to obviously mix that together. Then you want to put your butter in here. So you want half a tablespoon of butter, but you want to cube it up so it's not all lumped together. So that's kind of like a tablespoon of butter. So you want to obviously cube it all up so it's really small and fine. Like so, and you want to pop that into the mug. And then with a fork, you're going to mix that all together so it looks almost like breadcrumbs. So once you've got your mixture looking a bit like breadcrumbs, then what you need to do is you need to stir in 3.5 tablespoons of milk. You want a tablespoon of cheese. And then finally you want a tablespoon of bacon. Now what I've done is obviously I've cut this into smaller pieces so that it obviously is just like sort of strips of bacon. And that's gonna go in there. And then you want to mix it all together so it forms like a batter, okay? So mixing every... Make sure that obviously you get the little edges as well, because you know that flour is going to obviously stick in those edges. Now, the wetter the batter, the softer your muffin's going to be, okay? Lovely. And then, once you've got your batter all sorted, you need to put it in the microwave for around about 45 seconds to a minute, okay? Keeping an eye on it because you don't want it obviously to bubble over. If obviously, depending on your settings, you might need to add 10 seconds on, but obviously you can get the gist of that when you look at it. Don't forget, safety is super. And there we have it. So your muffin should be a little bit spongy, okay? And if you want, you could obviously sprinkle on some bacon on the top if you'd like, but here we go. So I think I've got, oh. There's the bacon bit. It's very fluffy and light. You definitely get the cheese, and then every now and again you get obviously a bacon bit, but ooh, this is really lovely. If you've enjoyed this video, then don't forget to obviously give it a like and share it around because, you know, oh, it's really lovely. And if you obviously have enjoyed this, then it is part of our microwave mug badge, okay, which is available in our stores. Links are described below. Otherwise, if you shared it and you liked it, then why not consider subscribing? We have tons of amazing activities that you can do at home, face to face, socially distancing, all on our channel. So go on, scroll down, click the red button if you want to. Otherwise, I'll see you again soon for another one of these. Well, maybe not one of these, but another video anyway. Bye.